Do you want to know why I hate overzealous DRM implementations? It's not the vendor, because those guys were actually polite and pointed out that Camo Studio was using an uncommon configuration. It's not Camo Studio support, because those guys actually passed my suggestions up to the development team. It's the fact that until a new version without the Midas monitor support is released, you, the user of Camo Studio, can't sandbox software for your protection. Okay, let's start from the beginning. I love multi-camera setups and lining up footage from one camera with another and maybe a screen recording for my videos. I had previously reviewed Camo Studio and I actually love the fact that you can reuse hardware you already own, giving it a new life. I wanted to make a simple video comparing inexpensive microphones you can use in your setup or for recording, and was looking to see if I could capture two Camo Studio cameras, my iPhone 5S and Pixel 4a, to show where it's possible to reuse one of your existing phones for a cheap audio setup. This is where things started going poorly because you can't launch multiple windows of Camo Studio even if you tried launching it as a different user. I sent a message to Reincubate support and kept going. In the past, I had used Sandboxed, which is an awesome free software to isolate a piece of software, and this also works to force a second window of a program to open, but as soon as I tried, I was met with a DRM window that took that option away. After sending an email to Reincubate support, I was told that this was the expected result, and I decided to contact the Midas support. Now, some of you may be thinking that I got told to get lost, but the Midas support was actually quite kind and treated me like a human being, and even pointed out that disabling sandbox support is very uncommon because it takes away the freedom from a user being able to run the software under sandboxing, and, most importantly, does not degrade the protection that the Midas offers to its clients. My issue with Reincubate is that because of this monitor setting they have enabled, even if you bypass the Midas protection, the monitor protection is still enabled. This means if there's ever a vulnerability found in this software, it will be impossible to sandbox while offering no extra protection to their software. This is the worst example of DRM implementation I have seen so far, because it offers no additional protection to the security of the software, and even after the Midas protection is bypassed, the complete code can be accessed, it still limits the support for sandboxing.